In today's world, the internet has become an integral part of our lives. With the rise of technology, there are endless opportunities to make money online. In this article, we will explore various ways to earn money from the comfort of your home. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the most popular ways to earn money online. You can offer your services as a freelancer in various fields such as writing, graphic designing, web development, and many more. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to find work and clients. Online surveys. Many companies conduct online surveys to get feedback from their customers. You can sign up with survey websites like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Telluna to get paid for taking surveys. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money by promoting other people's products. You can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale, and promote their products on your website or social media. Online teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can teach others online. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to create and sell online courses. Online store. You can start an online store and sell products or services. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up an online store and start selling. Social media marketing. Social media marketing involves promoting products or services on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can offer your services as a social media marketer and help businesses grow their social media presence. Conclusion. There are many ways to make money online, and the internet has made it easier than ever before. Whether you want to freelance, take surveys, teach online, or start an online store, there is an opportunity for everyone. With hard work and dedication, you can turn your online business into a successful venture. Now that we have discussed different ways to earn money online, let's take a closer look at each of them and how you can get started. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great option if you have a particular skill set that you can offer to clients. Some of the most popular freelance services include writing, graphic design, web development, and programming. The first step to becoming a freelancer is to choose the skill or service you want to offer. Once you have done that, you can create a profile on popular freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Make sure to highlight your skills and experience, and provide samples of your work to attract potential clients. Once you start getting clients, make sure to deliver high-quality work and build a strong portfolio to attract more clients. Online surveys. Online surveys are a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Many companies pay people to take online surveys and provide feedback on their products or services. To get started, sign up with survey websites like Swagbucks, SurveyJunkie, and Telluna. Make sure to complete your profile and provide accurate information so that you can receive surveys that are relevant to your interests. Keep in mind that taking online surveys may not make you a lot of money, but it can be a good way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money by promoting other people's products. To get started with affiliate marketing, you need to choose a product or service that you want to promote. Once you have done that, you can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. These programs provide you with a unique link that you can use to promote the product. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. To be successful with affiliate marketing, you need to promote products that are relevant to your audience and provide value to them. Online teaching. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can teach others online. Online teaching is a great way to share your knowledge and earn money at the same time. To get started with online teaching, you can create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare. Make sure to choose a topic that you are passionate about and that has demand in the market. To be successful with online teaching, you need to create high-quality content that provides value to your students. Online store. Starting an online store is a great way to sell products or services and earn money. To get started with an online store, you need to choose a product or service that you want to sell. You can then set up an online store on platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. Make sure to choose a niche that has demand in the market and provide high-quality products or services to your customers. To be successful with an online store, you need to focus on customer service and build a strong brand that resonates with your audience. Social media marketing. Social media marketing involves promoting products or services on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. To get started with social media marketing, you can offer your services to businesses that want to grow their social media presence. Make sure to have a strong understanding of social media platforms and how to create engaging content that resonates with the audience. To be successful with social media marketing, you need to stay up to date with the latest trends and be creative in your approach. In conclusion, making money online requires hard work, dedication, and persistence. Whether you want to freelance, take surveys, teach online, start an online store, or do social media marketing, there is an opportunity for everyone. Make sure to choose a path that aligns with your interests and skill set and put in the effort to build your online presence and reputation. Remember that success doesn't happen overnight, so be patient and persistent. Now that you have an understanding of different ways to make money online, let's discuss some tips that can help you be successful. Choose a niche. To be successful in any online business, it's essential to choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has demand in the market. This will help you create content that resonates with your audience and stand out in a crowded marketplace. Build a strong online presence. Building a strong online presence is essential for success in any online business. This includes creating a professional website or social media profiles, building an email list, and creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Focus on customer service. Providing excellent customer service is critical for building a loyal customer base and growing your business. Make sure to respond promptly to customer inquiries and provide a seamless buying experience. Stay up to date with the latest trends. The online marketplace is constantly evolving, so it's essential to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and provide innovative solutions to your customers. Be persistent and patient. Making money online requires hard work, dedication, and persistence. Don't give up if you don't see immediate results. Keep pushing forward and stay focused on your goals. In conclusion, making money online is possible with the right mindset, skills, and dedication. Whether you want to start a freelancing business, take online surveys, teach online, start an online store, or do social media marketing, there is an opportunity for everyone. Follow the tips outlined in this article, and you'll be on your way to building a successful online business.